Hey guys, welcome to the final lesson of the course. We created a beautiful animation and you can see that it was really simple, just vector files that we created on Illustrator and then just a simple animation here on After Effects, but it looks really cool, and with a nice color palette our work is done. Now, before ending this course, I wanted to show you how to change the pace of the animation, just in case that you want this faster or slower, and also show you how to create a GIF out of this. So you have this render, this animation. Now all you have to do is to select everything and pre-compose everything. Let's call this animation. Alright, now let's say that you want this to go faster, although it's really fast right now. But all you have to do, you don't have to go and go to this and change the keyframes or anything. You just have to do this. Click here on animation, go to layer, go to time, and go to time stretch. Now, time stretch change the original duration of a clip. So for example, if I instead of 100 set it to 15%, now instead of lasting 14 seconds, it will last 7 seconds. Now click OK, and you can see that it compacted all the animation into 7 seconds. So you can see that it's now really fast. So maybe that's how you want it. But if you want it to be slower, just go to composition settings, and instead of 14, let's set it to 30. And now let's go select the animation, go to layer, time stretch, and you can set this to 200% and it will last the double of time. Now you can see that everything is way slower. It takes double the time. Alright, so I will leave it just like it was before. I think this pace is good. So all I have to do now is to go to composition, go to render queue, and select the QuickTime. You can remove this, we have no audio, and just call this however you want and click on render. And now let's go to Photoshop to show you how to create a GIF with this. Alright, here we are on Photoshop. Now we just open this file just like you open any file on Photoshop, and you can see that we have the timeline here and we have the same video. We didn't change anything. It's just that we now are on Photoshop instead of After Effects. So if you want to save this as a GIF, just go to File, Export, Save for Web, and make sure it's on GIF. Now let's give it a couple seconds here until it loads the animation. And let's set this on looping options. Let's set it to forever. Now if you hit play, you will see that the animation will play and then go back again. And that's it. Now you just click on save and you will have a GIF. So I hope that you enjoyed this course. You can see that it was really simple to create. Everything was a flat vector from Illustrator, and we didn't have to go into so much detail because you can see that all the illustrations were really simple. Were just abstractions of things. For example, the Christmas tree, the Christmas balls, this cone, the party cone, the glasses, the stars, and everything else was really simple to create with simple shapes on Illustrator. And then, well, the animation part on After Effects was simple too because we brought everything ready from Illustrator, all the layers ready, and it was really simple to create with that, because saving the things from Illustrator to After Effects saves a lot of time. So I hope that you enjoyed this course and that you learn a lot of things. And well, remember that there's a discussion board here that you can put your questions, or if you have any suggestion or any doubt of what I just showed you. And please remember to upload your own projects, because I want to see how you did with your own. You can create your own color palette, maybe another typography or another objects. So it will be fun to watch. So thank you for joining me in this course, and see you on another one.